We love hair chalk in our house, and this kit is really cool. It comes with a whole bunch of beautiful colors to choose from. So we let our girls pick out which colors they wanted to do first, and then we got to hair chalking. So the first step we did was to wet her hair. That's what the directions say. So I put a little bit of water in it, and now we're gonna make it pretty. You just hold a piece of hair like this, and then we're gonna color on her hair. Ooh, pretty. What do you think? Yeah. These are really easy to use. And it of course washes out. So we're gonna have some really fun rainbow hair. And then we got to work doing my other daughter's hair. What's cool is that your kids can color chalk their own hair or their friend's hair, their siblings' hair, or you can do it as an adult. That one's really light. That one's hard to see. This one has a little bit of a sparkle in there. Okay, let's try that again. One thing I'm finding is you can draw on your hair like straight on, but if you actually use the side of it to draw, it seems like it gets more color with it. So that's kind of what I've been doing to really get this on their hair. And you can see just how gorgeous it is when you do that. This is so fun. Put my youngest girl's hair up in a ponytail like a little rocker princess, and my other one wanted to have more of a unicorn look, which we totally accomplished. These are so much fun.